You ready?
We'll have a race.
Yeah.
Could you push me, please?
Come on, come on, come on. Here we are at some friend's house.
Do you want to sit with her?
Going
Dad?
sledding. Yes, I will sit with Leilani.
All right, Abby, go. Oh!
I actually went super fast and over there.
I gotta keep my feet. Okay,
You get snow in your face?
Yeah, you got to keep your feet up.
Can I go with you, Daddy?
Okay, hold on.
Right there.
Here, River. Good boy.
Daddy,
Come.
go.
You can read his collar.
You can. Okay, you want to get on?
River Bonehead? Yeah, there's a reason. Oh, really? This should be interesting.
You might end up popping that. That's
Abby,
like 300.
Look out, Abby!
Oh man. Okay, if you pop it, you've got to replace that. That's like.
We'll just give him one
It'll
of
be
our.
worth. It'll be worth.
It'll be worth
the
it.
laugh.
Well, I don't know.
Just yelling.
Oh! Yoo-hoo!
Look how far.
Holy
he
cow!
goes.
It's gonna go. Every time they go, it'll go further and further. We were going right into the woods last year after a few runs. She was scared.
Oh, because we were saying we're gonna pop it. She started panicking. I shouldn't have said that with her. I forgot that she can be.
This guy likes to get in front of the sled, so he's staying back. So wait.
Oh, he might catch up to them.
Okay, can you keep it like that the whole time?
Yep.
Okay, and then bring it back to me.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Look out! That was fun!
Okay. One off the tree.
Scoot up. Don't worry. Could you hold on to me? I think I'm
I'll hold on to you. You hold the camera straight, okay?
Ready for me to push you?
Yep.
Yep.
Hold it straight in front of us.
Yep.
Is that a dog?
It's like, can't see. Snow's in my face.
You were pulling it sideways.
Daddy!
Hang on. She got snow on her face.
And that was nice. On it.
Yeah, our whole family could go on that one.
Hold on, I'm not ready yet. Dad, you'll go in front. Hold on, I'm not ready yet.
Daddy goes in the back.
Nope. I do not want to get snow in my face again.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh my God.
I've been bulking up.
Ready?
Oh, Angelica, how do you feel?
Fine.
You're gonna wear a hat.
Sure.
I don't have one on me. Okay.
That's so cute. Get a picture. You getting that?
Yeah.
Do that again, girls. Do it again. Do it again.
Mommy is gonna snowboard on a tiny little board down this hill. I'm gonna laugh. Ha ha!
Well, I could have kept going, but I started going too fast.
Now keep going.
I don't want to go too fast because I don't know how to control it.
You don't have to control it. You just have to stay standing. Try
No, I
again.
know, I would've
Keep going from
preferred-
here. Just keep going from here. It's a gentle slope.
There's no trees though, then I would.
Oh, you're not gonna hurt the trees. Come on.
No, I'd hurt myself with the trees.
You're not gonna hurt the trees. Go.